Historic, beautiful, delicious. Here at Oddfellows on Capitol Hill, there are so many reasons to love this special restaurant. From the comfortable yet vibrant environment to the eye-catching culinary delights, Oddfellows holds a special place in the hearts of the neighborhood.
It feels like a place that's been here a while. Historical time capsule in the neighborhood. We walked in kind of wondering what the story was behind this place because it feels like it has one.
We call it the Capitol Hill's living room.
Chef Sam Thompson and her team want to embrace the natural atmosphere of the restaurant. With locally sourced cuisine and an energetic yet comfortable atmosphere, guests should feel right at home.
Then you enter our restaurant and it's just open and it's airy. It is a cool space. And it's a very old building as well, so there is a lot of character that comes with dining at Oddfellows.
It just feels like cozy and kind of has a little bit of an industrial feel, which I like.
When I think of Seattle, I feel like it's one of these just like iconic locations that you just have to come to and bring people that you're visiting with at least once. It's a staple of the neighborhood.
It feels like a living room. It feels like somewhere you can just sit down and have a cup of coffee and just relax.
Coming up later in the show, Chef Sam and I will be making a special French dish called pommes Anna.
Is that good?
Perfect.
I think you're just saying that, actually.
I might be.
I knew it.